welcome back to Amazing Amara. Today we're going to do a science experiment that is rain cloud. And I'm going to do the science experiment and the glass. And so what we need is a glass of water and shaving foam, and we need dropper and food color. So first thing we need to do is fill the glass with shaving foam. This is the cloud, and when we put this food color, this cloud will get super duper heavy. And then this is the rain. And when you put this rain there, it will come down to the glass. Let's do it. Wow, you can see the blue colors coming down. So that's our rain. So if you like my science experiment, you can do it at your home. And please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.